So this is my latest bag from Greenroom136, the BYC version of the Northseeker. So basically it is a small single compartment pack. It is designed to be a little smaller, way more EDCable, and it's actually light for a green room bag, so I'm sure you appreciate it. The material is EPX 400 in snow white. They used to do silver bullet, I think, which it's over there actually in the back if you can see it. The snow white actually it's really nice. It's brighter. I like the silver bullet a lot because it is a little toned down, but then hey, now I may just want this snow white version going forward. This is really nice. And of course, you know, I have a black and white vibe here. That's the whole point of the design. So this is a smaller bag. I really want to try this out today. So I am going to take my regular office carry, which may or may not fit in here, but let's find out. So I have my stuff in my CTR, and let's just go through. A small jacket, rain jacket, which I'm going to squeeze back into its case here. Now this is, you know, way more compressible, but that's how I have it. My cable kit, it's all my electronics. This is optional. I just haven't cleaned up my charging stuff yet, so this is way more than what I need for the office. So I might have to take what I need out and don't carry that. Muji water bottle and my devices. So I have iPad Pro, actually my notebook as well. Let me notebook and pen, and then my 14-inch laptop. So I have some miscellaneous stuff here. As you may or may not know, I just got back from Hong Kong, so I still haven't fully unpacked my backpack. So let's load this guy up. It is fundamentally a single compartment bag with a quick access pocket that is smaller than the CTR. And then there is this front area that has no volume, but it has two zipper pockets in there and the key leash with my favorite, with a magnetic key leash. So that's great. Let's see if everything will fit in here. So back pocket, right? The typical green room style, very padded. Laptop should go in there without any problems. Perfect. So that's a, for those who care, 14-inch MacBook Pro M1 model with lots of room to fit, spare and lots of height to spare. So my gut is a larger laptop will fit as well. Then I have my iPad Pro 11-inch with the thick Apple case. Normally I would put it in the front, but then where am I going to put the notebook? Oh, I can put it in the device. Actually, it fits. So this is quite nice. It actually fits in the laptop safe as well. So both of them goes in there. Then I can put my notebook in the front because I do want to protect my notebook, you know, being a notebook person. And then I'm going to clip my pen. Actually, just clip it on. Very casual. So that's everything. The pack, you know, it's from shipping, so the bottom is kind of squeezed out. And this stack, as you can see, has into the depth of the back, but I think that's fine. So I'm actually going to do it by zipping this up a little bit so that I can just take the tech pouch, which is the thing that will push the bottom out. So if I push the bottom out, you can see it's pushing up a little bit. So it's a little too big for it, but that's fine because that actually gives me the base that I need. And look, it stands up by itself. So now, that's what's going on. Right, let me show you. That's what it looks like. I can just stack upwards. But before I do that, I'm going to throw my tissues and stuff in here. Bring this back up a little bit more. Should I put this standing up? Rain jacket. This jacket. Leave the water bottle out. And with this, there's actually space on the top, so there's a little bit more space. And in fact, if I don't have water, which I don't, I'm just gonna throw this in there. So it's a tight squeeze, right? So this is, kind of a panel loader situation, how you would pack, any of the simple single compartment panel loader, but it works. And then UAP, I can throw my phone in there if I want to. I do wish they put a little bit more material on the quick access pocket so that it can drop into the main space as needed. So right now, there's not a lot of material in there. So even if there's space, I cannot make use of this little area. And then I guess I can put a small pouch in there. So if I have a pouch in a pouch setup, which I actually do, if I have a minimum carry in a pouch in a bad situation, which I do, I just don't have it here, I could slot that in here and zip it up, but it looks a little bulky then. So leaning backwards a little bit because now it's a little top heavy, but that looks good, right? Typical green room straps. Take this off before let me take this off so that I don't forget. I cannot do this backwards here. So in the back, there is this additional pocket, which is quite large. I'm not using it today, and then I'm not using the luggage strap either, but I think I'm going to leave it on. This is great. This is great. Let's try it on body. So this is literally from the packaging with no adjustment. This is straight out of the box. It actually works well, like any other green room bag, because the back has all my devices in there and then reasonably padded. It actually feels really well. So feels really good rather. So that is the Greenroom136 Northseeker BYD in EPX Snow White. Very first time packed it out. I'm gonna take it to the office and try it out.